The summer air was soft and warm, the feeling right, the Paris night did its best to please us. And strolling down the Elysee, we had a drink in each cafe. And you talked of politics, philosophy, and I smiled like Mona Lisa. We had our chance, it was a fine and true romance. I can still recall our last summer, I still see it all. Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain. Our last summer, memories that remain. We made our way along the river and we sat down in the grass by the Eiffel Tower. I was so happy we had met. It was the age of no regret. Oh yes, those crazy years, there was the time of the flower power. But underneath, we had a fear of flying, of getting old, a fear of slowly dying. We took the chance, like we were dancing our last dance. I can still recall our last summer, I still see it all. In the tourist jam, round the Notre Dame. Our last summer, walking hand in hand. Paris restaurant. Our last summer, morning croissant. Living for the day, worries far away. Our last summer, we can laugh and play. And now you're working in a bank, a family man, a football fan, and your name is Harry. How dull it seems, yet you're the hero of my dreams. Stand by it. I can still recall our last summer, I still see it all. Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain. Our last summer, memories that remain. I can still recall our last summer, I still see it all. In the tourist jam, round the Notre Dame. Our last summer, walking hand in hand.
我反摸。